Hey, what's up, everybody? We are live. Good evening. How's everybody doing? Drew69 Malibu, Silver Surfer Lone Wolf, tuning in on both accounts. Hope you guys are doing good. Just sat down here, getting ready. Actually, I'm already in a trade here. I just entered about a few minutes ago to that pullback of a bullish fair value gap here. Currently up about $60 here. Probably going to go break even here. Just worst case scenario, if we decide to turn around here, won't take a loss on this trade anyways. I'm actually thinking about just taking one off right here also. There we go. So I only got one contract left here, locked in about $30. You know, those base hits, right? Just want to just making sure I got everything properly set up here. Okay, that's all set up there. And got my charts all going. So we've been relatively bullish here up until, you know, what is this, about an hour ago or something? We started slowing the momentum, pulling back here. We found some support here in this bullish fair value gap. So we'll see if we can, if we're going to get any more momentum here to the top side. Try to hold on to this one contract here. Worst case scenario, locked in $30. Worst case scenario, it'll be another just like $250 if we get stopped out. Media assets. Hey, 8 people in the stream already. 9 people. Good evening, everybody. Hope you guys are doing excellent. Excelente. Randy Trades, hey, how you doing? Good evening. Good evening. How are you feeling? Are you feeling any better? I think you said you were sick the other day. Hopefully you're taking a turn for the better. Looks like my I need to adjust my charts here so it's a nice view for everybody. There we go. Let's get back over to the trade C. There we go. Let's pull him back a bit. We might end up getting stopped out here. Not looking for a home run off this fair value gap bounce. But hey, you're vertical. Hey, what's up? Yo, Jim Blob. Let me just grab the link for the regular stream. I'll pin it in that comment section there. Going to the live streams here, the vertical stream. Come on, boys, let's get bullish here. Paste that there, and we will pin this comment. There we go. You're short at the moment, 28,700. Ooh, nice. Oh, 28,700. Short. Oh, looking for 20. Oh, I was like, what the heck? That sucks. But targeting 28,700. Gotcha. You're short from 745. Could have taken profit, but pulled back. I'm being too greedy. Yeah, I mean, that's why, you know, I like to take partials just because, you know, like I just took one off on that push up there. Just because I like to, you know, sort of guarantee that you're going to get some support. So guys, the main reason here that I went long is we have this previous, the VWAP from the New York session here. It was resistance here. It was resistance here. So I was banking on it being support, and it lined up with an unmitigated fair value gap. Now that doesn't mean we're going to go completely bullish here, right? But we'll have to see how this ends up playing out. But that was basically my trade idea. We had the VWAP from the New York session was resistance, and then they finally broke it. So I was just planning on it being support, especially because it was right in the middle of that fair value gap. Close for small profit. Nice. Yeah, dude. We got like 70 subs on Tuesday night. So hopefully we can continue tonight. We got 10 people in the vertical stream. Hey, everybody in the vertical stream. If you guys want to pop on over to the full size screen or stream, if you want to just hang out here, it's totally fine too. You can see the book map there on the full view. But if you want to see some of the trades that we are playing out here live, then definitely come on over to the full size stream here. This getting a pretty decent bounce here so far. You subbed with your 70 burner accounts? Nice. I appreciate it, man. I'll take any sub that you can get. Pamela, hey, yeah, last Tuesday, 70. Oh, look at that. Big wick down here. Maybe your shorts are going to play out, guys. I got stopped out there for basically break even on that remaining contract there, so $32. Shoot, that's too bad. Hey, but at least looks like the shorts are going to end up playing out for you guys. On a good note here. Let's see. Guys, I got some dumplings and some turkey from the air fryer for dinner tonight. Yeah, there goes those shorts. $190, 28,800. I only see 114 there, but are you looking at the big contracts? Let's see. Oh wow, yeah. How long has that been on there for? I wasn't paying attention earlier. Well, that short's playing out real nice for you right now. So it came on back here, eh? I mean, looks like they're mostly algorithm orders, because if you can see the little white lines, they look like little dots in there, but it looks like the majority of those contracts are controlled by one seller. Yeah. Probably just trying to draw price up. Could be also tricking people. Hard to really say. Angia, good morning to you. You're out of the short now? Nice. That's a good place to take profits, I'd say. Puente Express, hey, good evening. How are you? Let's see here. Angia is so nice. She always says hi to everybody. So everybody say hi to Angia. Put some W's in the chats for her. Good evening, everyone. No news on that one either. Well, not yet. Anyways, we'll see. $17.30. Yeah, you're right. Nothing showing up yet. Anyways. NQ's about to test a view up. Yeah, quite possibly. If it's anything like today's New York session, we might be making some new lows. You know, we do have some naked point of control down here. Where the heck is that now, though? Why is this not showing up my naked point of control? Oh, the naked point of controls are way down there. I thought I had one higher than that, though. Let me see here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's check out the 4-hour chart. Let's see if I thought that there was a naked point of control that's closer. Let's just turn on the session volume profile here. Not that one. This guy right here, yeah. So we do have a naked point of control down here at 28,131. So let's just mark this guy up, naked point of control. Okay, let's go back down to the 15-minute. Just double check that I'm not missing, like if that 4-hour candle ends up touching it after the check. Yeah, so this point of control has never been engaged since we still have that gap that never got filled either, hey? So we can, let's label that up too here, just so we're, because at some point we're going to pull back and probably fill these gaps and stuff, right? So now whether it's going to be today, I don't know, but I mean, it's good to just make sure we have these levels out. So this POC has been engaged. This one was engaged. That one was engaged. This guy's a naked point of control also, actually. So because we've been so bullish, we've been leaving these naked point of controls on the way up here. And when I say naked point of control, it's just a point of control that was never engaged after the end of the price session. So typically there's like an 80% chance that we're going to engage the point of control from the day on the next trading session. Looks like there's one right here too. Look at that. So a lot of targets to the downside. Just going to label this one up too here. So the developing point of control seems like it's acting like support right now here too on this current price action. Look at that. Pulled back right to there and then bounced. Good here. Had a long day at work. All right. Well, hey, time to chill out. What the heck? Oh, Randy, thanks for the tip, bro. I just saw that. Appreciate that. Angia is a real one. She's a key player. She's active in the Discord, always posting in the chat and talking to everybody. She's awesome. Love her. Appreciate the tip, though. Thank you so much, sir. Nine-day and VWAP about to kiss each other. Oh, the nine EMA or 9-day VWAP. I don't know which one you're referring to. Put a short on MES2 contracts, walked away, came back and hit my TP up 65. Nice. Good job. Five-minute inside bar after the volume spike. Yes, sir. Harriet Tickman, the developing POC just jumped down with that volume. Was it? It was a little. It was up here, I guess, before this last candle. That kind of makes sense, right? Are you even a real butcher, bro? No, no. But how I got the name is it was a kickboxing nickname. So my coach called me Dave the Butcher Stewart because I was knocking dudes out, you know. So he called me the Butcher. Developing, yeah, jump down. Just a tip, just for a second. Hey, Keith Matthew, thank you. Just a tip, just for a second. Oh yeah, you're bad guy. This guy. You dip buying dog again, Dave? I did buy the dip earlier before that push down. I just I locked in $32 on that little dip there. I was hoping to get a bigger bounce, but we didn't get it. So that fair value gap that I longed off of got inverted. So he's a real butcher? Yeah. Not in the kitchen, but boxing. Yeah. Boxing, kickboxing. I mean, I'm not bad in the kitchen too. I know how to cook and stuff. I'm decent. Daniel-san, you're gonna catch some flies with my chopsticks. Sounds good, Randy. I'll definitely let's do it. I love me a good steak. Just because I'm lactose intolerant doesn't mean I don't eat steak. No, I'm joking. No, my mom didn't teach me well. I learned on my own. But she's a pretty good cook too, I'll admit. Although she tends to over-season some things sometimes. A couple times now I had to be like, Mom, can you just like reduce some of the seasoning? It's a little bit too salty. And it's not good for her, right? You know, like when you're older, you shouldn't be eating too high a salt content, right? So I wonder if that was just a manipulation here before we're going to end up going higher. So guys, you guys got to hear this song. Are you guys okay with a short, like sort of a heavy metal song? Because somebody in the Discord, Frank Furter, his name is, made a song. It's called Shots on Goal. It's about me and hockey. So I'm going to play it right now. So check this one out. It's pretty funny. Sean Reeves, hey buddy, how you doing? My week's been going pretty good. Not bad. Anyways, this has been my week and my month. Today I did take some losses, so I'm down 172 on the day, but overall I'm up about 3K on the month so far. So pretty decent. 315, 12, 1,290, 815, 685 there. So Shots on goal. Oh yeah, see, they manipulated us out of that trade there. Let's turn off this session volume profile here. Big boy's very active on the 5-minute volume spike, right? Big time. Quenta, how long have I been trading futures? Do you trade stocks as well? Yeah, so I started trading in general back in somewhere around 2018. I'm not sure exactly when. 18, maybe 2019, something like that. And I started trading Canadian stocks like, TD, Toronto Dominion, or Royal Bank, RY. And then I found some success. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to move over to the New York Stock Exchange and start looking at that stuff. So I started looking into trading penny stocks. Oh, look at this bounce here, guys. Oh, I'm so sad we got stopped out there. Oh, well. I started paying penny stocks and, Ross Cameron style. And, started losing some money anyways. So, and then I wasn't loving that. So I started learning about options. So I traded options for a little while, mostly focusing on Apple and Tesla. Was doing pretty well with Tesla. And then just so happens I was in some call options when we had the COVID crash. So needless to say, those option contracts turned into like $1 buybacks. So I lost quite a bit of money on that dump, where I was like, it dumped one day and I was like, oh, it's gonna be fine, it'll come back, right? And then it dumped again, and yeah, I literally bought those contracts back for like $1, which is, if anyone has traded options before, that's basically like before it gets to zero, like they'll like buy it just to close their trades, they'll buy it back for $1, right? So so I ended up losing quite a bit there. I stepped away from trading. I kept learning, but I wasn't trading for a while. Yeah, just buy the dip, right? So on and off learning. I did trade, penny stocks again for a while. I traded some lower price stocks, and then I kind of stopped again. And then in 2024, I started trading some penny stocks again at the end of 2024. And then I was talking with my good friend Randy, and he has been trading futures and in prop firms. So I didn't really know anything about prop firms, so I decided to get into I just took my IBKR account and started trading futures on that. Sort of lost a little bit of money right at the start of 2025. And then I think it was February, I got into trading futures with prop firms. I think it was at the end of March or early April, I got my first payout with Top One Futures. And been trading futures ever since then. So I'm about a year and a bit into trading futures now. And I started trading live on YouTube in around September of 2025. So now I'm getting about 8 or 9 months live on YouTube. And I got to say that trading live on YouTube helped me a lot, because I would say I was over trading for sure. Through like early on there, like I think I had like hundreds of trades sometimes, like literally like hundreds of trades on some days. So getting live on YouTube made it so I was more I was accountable, right? Because people were watching me, and transparent. So I just slowed down a lot and got more focused. I also got a trading partner named Scott, who I haven't really been in touch with much lately. We kind of went our own ways lately, but I think we both helped each other out with just being accountable to somebody. And yeah, and then the whole community here growing has been awesome. So I've really enjoyed trading futures with all you guys. So far I've made only about a little over $4,000 in payouts. So I'm definitely not, I wouldn't say I'm profitable yet, because I've over the time, buying accounts and, paying for Bookmap and paying for like stream subscriptions and stuff. I would say I'm still negative, but I think we'll be getting there. Hopefully you'll be able to turn that over sometime this year, right? So, just being consistent is the hardest part, right? And like at the end of 2025, I had 11 funded accounts. I had passed a whole bunch of evals. I had like maybe 2 that were straight to funded, but I passed 5. I had 5 take profit trader evals, 50Ks passed. I had 4 Lucid accounts passed, so that's 9. Yeah, and then I had 2 straight to funded top 1 futures accounts. And between January and February of this year, I oversized, tilted, and I blew all 11 funded accounts. So yeah, so kind of a bit of a reset there for me. So I've been slowly grinding my way back now. So I currently have three funded accounts. Working on I'm about almost halfway done a 25K Lucid Flex eval that I won, and I got 5 or 4 take profit trader accounts that I'm working on now to pass. So those are only up about $200 each. So, and that kind of brings us up to date to where we are now. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. You used to trade Forex until your nephew got me into futures. Hey, Keith, that's the way to go. I mean, futures are better than Forex from what I heard. I don't know Forex. I just know that, all the orders get sent through a central, exchange. So you don't have to worry about dark pools or other areas where orders are being bought and sold or whatever, something like that. There's less slippage in futures. There's less tickers or pairs you need to look at, right? So so that's kind of why. And then once you start leveraging, prop firms, especially if you're new, it's a cheaper and safer way to not blow, thousands of dollars trading live capital, right? Because all you need to do is tilt, and you can lose hundreds and hundreds of dollars every day, right? So Forex was great for the first 2 years, but then it got really bad. Oh, really? So like what happened? Like they, the prices were, they weren't moving well, or what do you think made that happen like that? And then, futures with prop firms, ROI can be crazy, right? Like imagine if you pay $300 for a straight to funded account, and then you get a $3,000 payout. That's like what, 1,000%? Is it 1,000%? I think so. Yeah. All right, Tim. Good job there earlier. Lock it up, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Hey, Sean. Yeah, no problem. If you want to hang out with the rest of us, where the majority of the people are in the full size stream, it's the pinned comment there in the vertical stream. I mean, you're welcome to stay there if you want to just focus on like sort of a better view on the book map. You're welcome to, but just so you know, you can come over to the full size stream by using the pinned comment in the comment section. Used to have really good trends, but then it's too choppy. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, that's rough. So what do I got going on here? So I have my 4 take profit trader accounts are up about $58 in each. My top one future is 150K is up only $40. My Lucid Flex accounts I haven't touched yet, so I could think about taking a trade on those. And then my Trade C account's up 32. So small wins today. If you guys were on the stream earlier today, I wasn't feeling that confident this morning, so I kind of like took it really easy. I took I took a long on one of the trades, and it was one of those ones where I bought it and it literally just went down and down and down. Like it price pulled down to a fair value gap, hung out there for a minute. So I'm like, okay, well, it seems like it's getting some support. So I entered long, and then it just, from the moment I entered, it just went down. It was like $7 down, $14 down, all the way. And it stopped me out about $79 loss on 5 accounts because I was copy trading. And that was my stop. I had a 40-point stop on it. So then that kind of like threw me off. I ended up recovering the majority of that loss in my funded account later. And then I took a $220 loss in my Trade C account, but then ended up making about $340 after that. So, but then at that point I was like, you know what? I think I just need to chill because I just had this weird feeling. So like, pay attention to yourself, guys. You know, like you don't have to trade every day. So like, I just noticed that I wasn't feeling that confident or that great, and I felt like maybe I'm going to mismanage, or make some poor decisions. So I decided to just sort of stay flat for the rest of the stream. And then I was ending the stream, and Nick was in a beautiful trade. He ended up making 11 grand on that trade, if you guys didn't know, at the end of the stream there. And I was saying bye to everybody, and I was supposed to like hit the button to like leave the studio, and I freaking ended the stream on autopilot because like at the end I said goodbye to everybody, and then for some reason I hit end stream instead of exit the studio. So I cut the stream off when Nick was gonna hang out. So sorry about that if you guys were in the stream earlier today. It always seems personal, like every single time someone is watching me. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I can definitely feel that way, right? I agree. Bookmap is awesome. It's definitely a key tool to have. It's very helpful, right? Very helpful. I talk too much. I gotta chew this food real quick. Dip buying dogs. 5-minute testing the volume spike in the immediate background. Maybe this New York VWAP is going to be support. I had a rough night trading a couple months ago, took a break, came to the realization that all my meltdowns come in the evening. So only trading mornings now for the first 90 minutes. Been good since. Hey, nice, Sean. Yeah, depending on how the price action is on the day, you can definitely trade some good trades on the evening session. But, I feel like, like if you think of like sort of like the ICT concept or whatever, the accumulation, manipulation, distribution, those 3 stages are kind of like constantly moving, right? So sometimes it's going to be accumulation in New York, manipulation in Asia, and then distribution in London, or maybe it's Asia that's accumulation and they'll do manipulation in London, and then distribution in the New York session. So if you kind of just think about it like that, then you can just realize that at some points, you know, when you're in trading in the Asia session, like, you know, you guys know just from being with me, sometimes I just don't like it when we're so choppy, sort of like this, right? Like we found, you know, we kind of bouncing around in this area. So until we kind of get out of this zone, I usually don't really want to trade very much. I might think about taking a long here on the VWAP again if we end up finding support, but I feel like we might be getting a little bit bearish here. We did have a really high volume selling candle there, so we'll have to see how this ends up playing out. But you dog, 5-minute low volume down wave so far, not much selling. Yeah, okay, I can see that. Pretty low volume on those last couple candles. One thing you can do, Sean, is if you're gonna trade the evening session or Asia or whatever, you can always just size down substantially, right? Go with like 1 or 2 micros and limit yourself to like 1 or 2 trades. But yeah, it's best to sort of like judge the market on how you're kind of like the vibe that you're getting on the day, right? Because we might be sort of in an accumulation stage here, right? Because I mean, technically, if you consider this whole area as accumulation, then we manipulated it at the open of the New York, and then we sort of distributed to the downside, right? Possibly. I mean, that could be the way. I mean, we might not be done distributing to the downside, but we'll just try to be patient here, wait for some sort of action here. But I mean, overall, we got to be sort of bullish, right? Because we're above the overnight VWAP, we're above the previous day's point of control. So, you know, breaking above the value area high would definitely give us a little more confirmation that we're going to be going bullish, continuing the bullish move anyways. In the mornings, I'm more responsible and disciplined. It's way better. Okay. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying my best to be disciplined in the evenings. I've also taken some pretty big losses in the evening sessions too. So, but one thing I've been really trying to work on is just being okay with taking a red day, right? If I end up taking a losing trade in certain accounts, then just try to like stop trading or, you know, size down. Don't try to get it all back. Don't try to force it, right? So we are trying to invert this bullish fair value gap here, 728, 746 area. I just gotta close the window real quick. It's getting a little chilly. Oleg's in the house. What's up? How are you doing? We got 45 people on YouTube, 2 people on X. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Good to see y'all. Hope you're having a great evening so far. Let's get some more generic music going here. We'll play this one for Angia. Aye, evening traders. What's up, Force Fed? How you doing? Aye. I'm going with a baby blue shirt tonight. Hopefully you can bring us some good luck on some quality trades. I picked up a Coke Zero for a little bit of caffeine. Thank you. Appreciate that. I'm pretty good, thanks. Also, Force Fed. Blue boners? Blue balls? Well, we got some blue candles here. Light blue and dark blue. Hey, Topple Fiddle, what's up? How are you? Dave, send this song to the Dodgers. They need to stack some base hits. Right? Hey guys, so I did get in along here. Let's see if we're going to get another bounce or not here. See if we can't lock in a little bit more profit here. If we get a little bit push up here, I'll probably take one off again, just like last time, go break even on the balance. Put my stop just below here, and just in case we get another nasty wick down like last time. Sounds like we're going to be pushing up here, pushing up a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to try to take one off here. Hit it. There we go. We're out. All right, so break even on the remainder here. Let's see if we can't let this one run. Hopefully this one's going to work this time. We might end up getting another nasty push down, because keep in mind, guys, we are long here, but we did make a lower high on this last push, right? So there is a risk that we're going to make another lower high and then pull it back down here. So just keep that in mind here. Currently up 49 bucks here in this trade. So I bought it in that in a fair value gap there. This one right here, we've been holding it sort of at the 9 EMA. I bought it on this little candle here, but basically, if this candle goes red, it's going to stop me out. I'm going to give it a little bit more there. We'll just look to get a break even if it decides to go back down here. So up to 24 days. Sheesh. What's that? Oh, not bad, but going to have to head back to work soon. Up to 24 days on. Wow. That's a lot of days on. Come on, boys. Let's go, Bulls. Where are those dip buying dogs here? Wayne, get those dip buying dogs for us, brother. Thinking about adding here, guys, and then just go and break even. See if we can't get an entry, and then hopefully this will be basically break even on this. Might end up getting stopped out right away, but let's see. Come on, boys. Hold it up here. Hold it up. Let's go, buys. No, we're out there. No worries. It was kind of a free entry. I thought it would be worth it. Probably would have stopped me out anyways, but oh, it's starting a new job, drilling for putting in fiber optics. Oh, sweet. That's cool. Congratulations on that, for sure. New job is good. Starting, you mean? Where's your new job? What I'm assuming you're in the US or what? Or are you somewhere else? 200 SMA doing work? Is it rejected off the 200 SMA? Sharpie, hola. Northern Alberta. Oh, with all the Alberta separatist talk, I've been thinking maybe I need to move to Alberta before they separate. Get to the good part of the country before they become a new country. I lived in Alberta from age about 4 till 7. I have a lot of family that lives out there. My mom's family was all from Windthorst. It's a couple hours outside of Regina. A lot of them ended up moving to Calgary. So I got a whole lot of family out in Calgary. RSI above the 50 level, some bullishness so far. Man, turkey sure sticks in the teeth, eh? I'm like eating turkey breast here. And then I got some dumplings with dark vinegar, soy sauce, and lao gama. Lao gama is like a spicy chili oil. Oh, those are good dumplings. Sharpie, sorry, bro. I didn't trade much this week. Kind of busy. That's why I didn't reply your messages in Discord as well. Hope you're doing well. I don't think we'll separate, at least not for a while. Oh, nice. Calgary, loved it there. Did roofing for 3 years. It was awesome. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, Calgary is a beautiful place, right? Just Alberta in general is a good place to live. We better taxes, a lot more of a conservative mindset. And yeah, it's not that easy to separate, right? So just because they, everyone voted or signed the petition to separate, it's just still not that easy. There's a long process to it. So hopefully the leverage that they created by signing that will help though, right? Yeah, I do, and yeah, I do. I do like dumplings. They're so easy. It's like such a good, easy way to get dinner, I noticed that the Canadian media were blaming the separatist movement on some MAGA people and Russia. And I'm like, I think that the separatist movement is because they're just sick of Ottawa pushing them around, taking all the money and not really listening or doing anything for them. That's my take on it. I don't think you need a MAGA movement or a Russia movement to like help Alberta be annoyed that with all the oil and gas they produce, that their taxes are getting spent over on the East Coast rather than supporting Alberta, right? But that's just my take. I don't know. I only know so much, right? So Yo, Chick 28,680 in MNQ on the 15 minute. 28,680. 28,680. 680. The point of control almost. What are you looking for there, buddy? 28. Oh, 28,680. Yeah, right there. Oh, it's a devil's mark. Is that what you're talking about? Like a no wick on the bottom of that candle? Is that what you mean? Seems like the world is way more politically driven and dividing than it used to be. I mean, they want us to feel that way, that's for sure. I think the people, yeah, I mean, politically, people are just one way or the other, it seems like, right? So, you know, especially with Canada, we voted a minority government, and then, you know, the Liberals sort of like pushed and ended up getting a majority government by backroom deals or whatever. So yeah, it's definitely a challenge. It's definitely a challenge. What is that 333 order on the book map? 288. Oh, this is 133 contracts at 28,880. Yes. Maybe a drop to there and reverse back up. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty far. It could definitely get there, though. I don't see why not. We do have some bullish fair value gaps and then the point of control there also. But it's hard for me to not just be bullish, you know? Like, we're near all-time highs. Whenever we're at all-time highs, we like to make more all-time highs, right? But to really feel more confident in the bullish ideas, we got to get above 28,800 area. Gold's going up, big volume spike at Globex open. Yeah, nice push up there. Some pretty high volume green candles there. All right, Knight, thanks. I don't know how I'm going to trade while I'm working. I think I might, if I'm off around 7 p.m., at least I'll sleep till 12 and then wake up for London, back to sleep. I don't know. Caught the bug for trading. Yeah, it's hard to find it. So if you're not used to trading London, just you're gonna have to be, you know, it's gonna take you a little bit of time to sort of like find your groove, because each session sort of has its own unique features, or however you want to take it. So you won't be able to be on for New York, right? Yeah, take it slow just keep it small and take it slow, and just try to learn that style, whatever the style is going to be for you during that time, right? 54 people in YouTube, 2 people in X. Welcome, everybody. We got 4 people in the vertical stream also. Anyone who's in the vertical stream, we have a pinned comment in the comment section there. If you want to click that, you can pop on over to the full-size stream where the rest of us are. If you're wondering why I'm talking to people, you're like not seeing any comments over there. It's because we have a full-size stream with the book map and trading view and the command pad. Music's a little too loud, I think. There we go. That should be better. Yeah, no, New York. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty choppy right now. If you're going to trade this, I mean, I would be looking for buys, but, you know, there's no guarantee that's going to work. We are showing a little bit of bearish sentiment at the moment, starting to. Now, whether or not this is just going to be a little pullback and a bounce. So the only good thing that I'm liking is we're still holding the VWAP from the New York session there. So it was resistance in New York towards the end, and then Asia came. We found some resistance there, ended up breaking above it, closed on it, and then pulled down, broke up, rejected off value area high, and then found support on it again. So it's kind of like a break and a retest idea here. So next step is if we get above value area high, we can definitely see us going higher. But be aware that we have this psychological number, 28,800 here, which could be also some solid resistance there. So be aware of that. Excuse me while I have another dumpling. So I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a real estate agent, right? So the market in BC and Canada, well, Canada, I can't really say in Canada, but in BC, or at least the lower mainland and Vancouver area, is pretty tough right now. So there's a huge supply of sellers. The prices are down. Buyers are trying to get crazy deals. So there's a lot of lowball offers. So the market's pretty struggling right now. And I'm kind of like a full serve real estate agent, because one of my clients reached out and said that they're installing a sunroom at the back of their house. And the person that they were getting to do the job is actually got ill with cancer. So she's not able to, they're not able to finish that, right? So they called me up and they're like, do you know anyone that can do it? So I offered to do it. So me and my brother are gonna go build their like sunroom. It's kind of like a gazebo, but it attaches to the side of the house. So talk about full service real estate agent, hey? Gonna go help my client install a sunroom gazebo thingy. And because the market's pretty slow, I need a little bit of extra work. So I'm gonna go do that over the, sometime next week. I'll start on it and try to get it done. So yeah, it's like a prefab one, heavy D. It's like off of Wayfair. So it's, it's like putting together a giant barbecue, right? Like, they have like, the manual, and then they have all the nuts and the bolts and everything. And then, so it should be interesting, but you need two people at least, because it's, you got to like get help putting up everything, obviously. So my brother unfortunately got laid off from his construction job. I guess they're, again, real estate market's not great in BC. So they're scaling down some of the construction stuff. So he got laid off for a while anyways. So I figured, oh, hey, there's a good opportunity to get out there and do that. So yeah, so it's like one of those metal prefab ones. So yeah, a kit with Chinese instructions, right? So it should be interesting. I was trying to get my contractor friend to help me with it, but he's pretty busy and wants to charge quite a bit, and the client doesn't have the capital to pay the prices to get him in there. So should be interesting. Hopefully I don't screw it up. Maybe I might end up losing a client over this. Hope not. Oh yeah, he'll be all right. Same here. Many developments are started but not finished, just came to a halt. Not sure if it's economy or ICE raids shipping all the illegals out. Yeah, hard to say, right? Jonathan, hey, how you doing? You know of any upcoming discounts on Lucid for Mother's Day? I think that their current discount is still running until, let me see here. So they have 50% off on your first 5 accounts, and then is it 40? Sorry, might be 40% off on your first 5. Let me see here. Yeah, 40% off on your first 5 accounts. You can see it on the top right corner there, and then after that, it's 30% off. So when does this run until though? That's the question. I think until May 17th. So that discount is on until May 17th. So you can see that they're 40% off any eval limit 5 per trader, and then after that it's 30% off on the rest of them. So I don't know if they're gonna have any better discounts than that. Starting to get bullish again here, looks like. Pretty low volume at the moment. How long has this candle been going for? This is a 15-minute candle, a new 15-minute candle there. We had a buy ball there, 66 contracts at 28,754. We do have lots of orders above, some at 75, some at 80, some at 87, some at 90, and a lot at 28,800. So send it, NQ. There you go. Thanks, NQ. Why the screens? Oh, hey, Heavy D. If you're in the vertical stream, so you know, for people who are going through shorts, as you flip through, you'll see a live video occasionally. That's why it's over there. So if you click the link there in the pinned comment link in the chat there, it'll bring you over to the full size stream where everybody else is hanging out. What is your thoughts on submitting a cash offer contingent on my house selling? It's not listed yet, but paid off, so purchase will be zero issue. Where do you live, ForceFed? I mean, doing a subject to sale offer is pretty challenging, but you know, because the hard part is, I don't know where you are right now, but making sure it gets sold, Minnesota. So how's the market there? Is stuff selling relatively fast? Because that's kind of going to be the you know, the issue, right? So if you feel like you can sell the house relatively quick, then you know, maybe that offer isn't bad, right? But I just know from my personal experience that subject to sale offers are a little bit challenging, right? So the houses in my neighborhood they're selling in your neighborhood? Okay, well then, you know, if your agent can sort of like, you know, tell the other agent or the seller that, you know, to give them some confidence, then it might work. But I would definitely recommend first step is just get the house listed. Because if you can get the house listed before you write the offer, that'll show that you're much more serious, right? Or at least tell them like, I'll have it listed within a matter of days or something. But I think if you're looking to use subject to sale, it's better to have your house listed at least, right? Nice. Yeah, 1 week or 2, that's pretty fast. So that can definitely work then, for sure. For sure. It's just, if somebody else wants to offer on the house that you're interested in, they want to go, they want to come in with a cash offer without a subject to sale, then obviously the seller is going to want to go with them over like your offer. Yeah, so if you're ready to sell, to make your offer stronger and more acceptable, I would say just list the house, right? That will just, help guarantee that they're going to consider it better, right? Also makes it, it's harder to lowball it, right? Yeah. So another option is you just try to sell your house and then you try to get like a 3-month closing or a 4-month closing, so you can have a good 3 or 4 months to actually purchase a home, right? I hope so, Angia. I did apply for Tradeify. I think I did apply. I don't remember if it was. I'm gonna have to look back, but I think I tried to apply. Like I sent them an email asking if I can get a discount code. So let's see if there's. Yeah, my application was not approved. We regret to inform you the application did not meet the criteria for approval. So unfortunately not. I'll keep trying though as time goes on here. I just think, my following is just a little too small still, right? Hey, thanks, Angia. I appreciate the support. Yeah, so Take Profit Trader rejected me. Tradeify rejected me. I think I even emailed Top Step. Let me just log in there real quick to see if yeah, I don't think I have an affiliate with Top Step either. So I think I sent them an email, but let me see here. Top Step. Yeah, so that's a negative so far. I don't know if Top Step actually has affiliates codes, but it could. I don't know. Let me see. Join the Discord community. I don't know if I have Top Step Discord yet. Yes, we got to just keep growing, The global summary. Hey, what's up? How are you? It's cold up there. We'll get bigger when the weather's warmer. Yeah. It's only a matter of time. Hey, thanks for all the support, guys. I appreciate it. So far, let me see here. Sorry, one sec here. Where is Top Step? Where did it go? Huh. Let's see. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, we got spammed again, looks like. Man, this is getting annoying. So let me get out the ban hammer real quick here. Uh-oh, I don't know. They won't let me open the ban hammer for some reason. What the heck's going on here? Won't let me open it in moderator mode. Seriously? I think that they must have left it after they freaking did this. That sucks. This is getting annoying, man. Spam. Block. Delete message. Yeah, weird. It won't let me. It won't let me use the ban hammer on them. I'm gonna have to get something to like stop these homos from getting in here doing this to the Discord. I guess I shouldn't say that word, but they're bothering me. A couple more to delete here. Anybody know how to add some more security so it's harder for these people to get in here and do this, or what? Hey Kyle, how you? Homo erectus is not a sexually explicit slur. Yeah, that's what I said. I said hobos. Market Butcher, it means you're getting big time? Yeah. Oh, the Discord, yeah. You kicked her? Oh, you kicked her. Okay, so usually when you ban them, it should maybe there's a little thing where you can select remove all the messages or something. Don't just kick her, hit ban. If you ban them, then it should kick them out and remove all of the messages. So let me you know what? I think I'm gonna just double check what your abilities are here. In mon mode. Oh yeah, you have all mod permissions, so Oleg, no clue. Neanderthals, right? Yeah, if you just ban her, you don't have to actually kick her. So I'll put this before I type. What is that anyways? It's kind of like a red and white shield. Hey, it's your first time. Thanks for doing that. You're quick on it, obviously. Good idea. What are these little chat GPT got it? Kyle and I are mods on another stream. Oh, nice. Sweet. Yeah, I can chat GPT it. You're right. I've been thinking about getting a bot, right? Like get one of those bots or whatever to help manage the Discord. Oh, mods have blue shields? Gotcha. Well, price action isn't looking too lovely, guys. This is exactly what I was worried about, is that we're just kind of going to be stuck here. After we kind of like made this nice move since the market opened, right? Little bounce up, a little pullback, and then just up, and then we're just going to probably consolidate for a while before we end up making a move here. But what we could kind of watch for is looking like we're forming a bull flag at the moment. That looks pretty clean to me. So maybe a break and a retest of this flag and then go higher. It could happen. It could happen. You never know. You think the market's going to drop down? Cryptid Crow. Hey, welcome to the stream, buddy. You know, until I'm not going to say that I think we're going to go lower yet. We're kind of, you know, technically, like I said, like I was just drawing there, this could definitely be sort of like a bull flag that's playing out here. So, you know, majority of the times we're going to break out to the top side because we sort of have our, where's our, right, our drawing tool here. Let's change this song up here. One sec. Where's the paintbrush? Am I blind? Oh, there it is. There we go. See? This is kind of like the flag pole. What the heck? Hey, now it's stuck. The flag pole, and then we got the flag pattern here. NQES didn't take the blue chews tonight? Yeah. We need some of this, right? We need some of these right now. Come on, let's go, boys. BC, BC. I'm still learning, but do bear flags break down? Yeah, so I mean, technically, like, yeah, typically a bear flag would be sort of like flip this would be a bear flag, right? So if we were, you know, like if we were like coming down and then creating a flag, and then typically those are going to break to the downside, and then this one we're kind of coming up, creating a bear flag, high likelihood that we're going to break to the top side. Now, I wouldn't just take it if this candle breaks out here. Don't just jump in, because quite often these are going to sort of do like this thing. They're going to go up, and then they're going to create a wick, and they're just going to come straight back down, right? But what you can look for is sort of a break like this, maybe it comes back in, and then goes back out like that. And we can look to sort of get on in this area after we retest and start breaking out again. Yeah, this is the bull flag. It could also be a channel. So you could always, it could be like this also, which again, this is like a bullish channel, right? So it depends on how you want to frame it. The same idea, right? If we break out, pull back, find support again, and then go higher. Comp maps, I set a limit by in range. Today I made 316 and sideways. Easy play and sideways for me. Yeah, I mean, you could definitely be buying in this bullish fair value gap area, or sort of like buying the lows, selling the highs kind of idea. So we're back in the orb from pre-market high and low at this morning. Oh yeah. Yep. And also, yeah, in the New York orb area. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of the only, I wouldn't be buying breakouts right now for sure until we get, you know, more of a confirmation that we're going to get a breakout, but not financial advice necessarily, but, you know, so far we've been just kind of chopping and sort of staying in the range. If we're going to be really bullish, I would like to see us at least get up above the value area high, and ideally even 28,800, right? that sort of that psychological level. ES is going up, but Delta's not confirming. We had a pretty big bump right there. How long ago was that? $20.52? 3 minutes ago. Negative 16.822 or 16.990, 16.839. Got a little bit of a recovery on that of the Delta. Oh, wrong button. So what, now NQ is going to pop or what? So we might end up getting that break and retest here. Use a Quasimodo double spinning lunar indicator. Nice. Yes. Do it. Just candles and averages for day trading, boys and girls. Don't overcomplicate it. Yeah. You signed up to Tradeify Grand Cup 2 yet? No, I didn't. You think Mustang can get in top 10? You can also go top 10 with win number 1 for us? Yeah, that would be crazy, eh? I tried to do the Patrick Whelan one before, the Patrick Whelan champion competition. And it's super, like, some of those people were crazy. They were like up like 20 grand on the first day. I was like, holy. I was up like a couple thousand. So I like got left in the dust. So then I was like, then one day I ended up trying to go with bigger size and ended up blowing that account. So we did break out there, guys. So let's look for potential retest and then see if we can't like look for a retest with some strong volume here. I mean, it might just break out and rip, so. There are cups. Ninja Trader Arena Cup and Tradeify Grand Cup. Nice. Oh, there's another one coming up soon. Nice. ES is going for its fifth try to break the high, hey? Hey, you think I got it this time? Yeah. Just gotta just go full port, right? Just full port it. Like drop. We should get an actual cup if we win. That would be cool. Yeah, that would be awesome, eh? Like a big NQ kind of like cup. That'd be sick, eh? I haven't had dumplings since the last time I ate dumplings on the stream. Hey, 92 people in the channel right now. Hey, welcome everybody. 89 people in YouTube, 2 people in X. Then we have 1 person in the vertical stream. Hey, 1,097 subscribers. Anybody else in the chat here? We could use 3 more subscribers to get us to the 1,100 level. There's got to be a couple people around. There's got to be a couple in here. We got 83 people watching now. Hopefully somebody hasn't subscribed yet. We got to get some other songs going here. Let's see. Whoever doesn't subscribe is getting the ban hammer. I mean, I wouldn't go that far, but There we go. 1,100. Woo! Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Hey, Lilish. How you doing, buddy? Yo, Jim Blov. What's up? Randy, you subbed 3 times? Thanks, bro. It was because of the threat? Yeah. You force fed him, eh? Saeed, how you doing? No, I'm flat right now. I'm just kind of like watching this breakout here of this bullish flag pattern. Looking for a retest. And if we start looking strong after if we get a pullback and we start looking strong, might think about taking a long. Yes, sir. So I think we got about, it looks like we got about 8 subscribers tonight so far. Thank you guys. 288 subscribers in the last 28 days. Let's looking at some stats here. Yeah, 1.1K. Make sure you all join the Discord as well. Yeah, there's a link in the. Yes, I do. It's in the. It should be in the description also, but I can post it in here. Invite to server. Copy link. There you go. That should work. So it looks like we might be getting that retest here. Let's see. Now, just be aware, like if we end up pulling back and we end up getting back into this zone, I mean, it doesn't mean it's not over. Like we aren't going to get the bounce, but try not to rush into this one. If it ends up just holding up here, I mean, this could be building a flag pattern itself, like a mini flag. Thanks, Angia. So it looks like tomorrow, we have non-farm payroll, U.S. unemployment, and U.S. Michigan consumer sentiment. Thanks for linking that also, Angia. Is anybody in the chat taking any trades yet? You know what? I'm just gonna run a little poll here. Let's see if how everyone's doing on the day. Green, red, or flat on the day. Cloud maps, you're long. 15 contracts. Ooh, I took a trade, but I'm down 300. I'm so close to passing my first eval. Hey, nice, Cryptid. Be careful. Try not to rush it, right? Be patient. Wait for your setup. Stalking to short at 79 on MES. Okay. Just be careful because it does look like we might be trying to break out soon too. Oil. Or gold is pulling back. What's oil doing right now? Not that oil seems to have sort of like decoupled a little bit. Oil is pretty bearish. There we go. NQ starting to break out here again. So we might not get that. This might have been the retest right there, actually. Yeah, that could have been the retest right there, guys. Trying to pass them evals too quick will hit you, so be careful, right? Yeah. Especially when you get close to passing, you know, size down and just slow down. That's my best suggestion, right? Rangapwa. It's at your entry, your long entry right now? Gotcha. I have a limit short enter at 823 in MNQ. 823. Okay, you're looking for a resistance up there. Boy. Do you ever feel market chews you out and spits you out, making you feel bad psychologically? Yes, AG. Actually, today, during the New York session, I had a little bit of some sort of those feelings. So I ended up staying flat sort of at the second half of the stream. Just didn't feel I had the mental capital to be taking the trade. So you don't have to trade every day. You don't have to, you know, quite often, especially streaming, I feel like I need to take a trade. I feel like I have to take a trade because, you know, we're in a stream, but I'm trying to like just trade the actual trades, right, and not get rushed into anything here. So it does add a different aspect when you're, you know, live, but Tuculus, how should I scale my 3K to 6K account? Are you talking about like a cash account? You don't trade Saturdays, yo Jim Blob? All right. Yeah, because you're closed, because market's closed. Right? I don't trade on Saturdays either, buddy. It's my one day off. Let's see what this stream, what everyone's putting in. So we got 23 votes. Majority of people, 52% green, 13 red, and 35% flat. Nice job, guys. That's awesome. Small size took us very easy to go to 100. Go to 100 from 3. Frank's barking at somebody who just went by the front of the property here. Oh, they just turned around at the front of the house. So Frank saw the lights and stuff. He's getting crazy. If you oversize, that 3K can go away very quick. Or if you don't manage risk. Yeah, totally. You guys want to see what it looks like in the chicken coop? That's all the birds sitting on their roost. I don't know if you guys can see that, but here what I'll do is let's make it a full screen. Might be a little easier to see. Yeah, I mean, if you want to squeeze in beside the chickens, no problem. go. This one. You got a ring camera inside the coop. Yes, eggs daily. I have like a little egg stand out front of the property. So I think I put out 4 dozen there today. So let's post up and snipe the yotes, the coyotes. I don't really have many coyotes up here. There's been a couple, but they seem to stay further down the hill. We have too many, I think, bears up here. So it's actually the bears are the ones that are more of the menace towards the chickens. So, oh yeah, we got Wi-Fi. We got Wi-Fi. There we go. We're getting this pullback here. Now let's pay attention to this, guys. Let's see if we can't potentially get into a trade here. How's the volume here? We did have a couple big selling candles. So don't just jump in the way of this. Like, let's wait to see if this is going to get some support here. $762 could be an enter. Watch it. We do have a bullish fair value gap right there. And it was unmitigated. No, it wasn't unmitigated because we already mitigated it, right, with this candle. So that one might not hold, right? This one's been mitigated also. Okay, so we do have an unmitigated 5 there. How low did that candle go? So that is kind of mitigated already, but finding some support here. 259 here. I wanted to see us sort of get back in a little bit and then recover again, but we're just finding support here at the 760 level. Could have almost got 8-10 points right there. Yeah. Orb rejection again. Was that what happened here? Well, we have value area high from this session. Ooh. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, so that is value area. That is an orb high. You're right. Looking short, Sharpie. 773. It's hard for me to short this. I feel like we're pretty bullish still. One minute left on this candle here. You still staying up? Yeah, I'm still up. If I close below, it went up. I did not short. Okay. Oh, you're looking for a short below 7 or a close below 73. Oh shoot, I'm on the wrong book map here. I was just looking over a book map like, oh, what do we got for orders? And we're on the ES. So we took off the orders at 85. Looks like they have some up at 90. 90. Some just came on at 90. And then they disappeared. And some above 95 here. I'm going to attempt a long here, guys. We broke out. We did find some support there. Let's see if we can't push up here some more. Come on, boys. Let's go. 762 was a good entry. Sadly, I didn't get in. Yeah, it was a good entry. Yep. Come on, Bulls. Let's go. It's just a little risky because we haven't taken the value area high and we have 28,800 above. So this might not push much higher, but we'll have to see here. Only in with one micro here. I'm trading. This is in 5 accounts though. So hopefully it goes in our favor. Maybe we should actually put on the theme song. It should have pumped already. Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking too. Like, what the heck here? Yeah, it's just a slow market, you know. Inverse head and shoulders on the 5-minute. Yeah, it could be possibly. You have me as a subscriber. Hey, thanks, Sid. Sid McThomas TV. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. We got 94 people. We're up to 1,104 subscribers. Come on, boys. Let's go. Let's pump this, boys. Let's pump this. We need to get up above the 785 level here. Like, we got orders at 90. We got orders above at 97, I guess. 96, 97. We need the bulls to step on the gas here. Love the fact that you have Bookmap on display for all of us. Game changer. Hey, yeah, you're welcome. Anytime. Well, it sure isn't going anywhere yet. We had some selling volume there, 67 contracts, 28,783. Five-minute demand tail, previous bar. Yeah. Bit of an indecision candle there. Let's see how this goes. I might add one more to this. According to 80/20, 80 might be a short area unless cross and retest. Yeah, you're right. It definitely could be. We are finding some resistance up there. I mean, the low hanging fruit looks like 28,800, right? But are we going to get there? That's the question, right? So I do have about, after this drawdown, I still have about $40 of profit in this account. So, you know, even if I take a loss here, it'll just bring the account back a little bit below zero. So we had all right, so we had them split apart, the 9 and 21. The 9 crossed here, and then it crossed back over there as we were making a new high. Well, I tried to add to it there, but it looks like my order got left. Okay, I'm going to remove those orders, but then I'm going to have to replace my stop here. So copy price, stop limit, paste, one contract, sell. It hit my 765, so my system can see very good level. Yeah. You're in at 73. You're short though, right? Sharpie? I can't believe we're fading each other. That's not good. I don't like fading you, Sharpie. I don't like to fade Sharpie, guys. You're long at 67. Nice entry. We need to get some movement here, though. YM's coming down to VWAP. Oh, it looks like it, eh? Don't take it personally. It's only business. Got 9:30 coming up. Maybe a pump at the half-hour candle. 10 seconds. Get my midnight open prices set here. So we're right sitting at the midnight open price, slightly above it, which is another little bullish idea here. Come on, boys, let's go to 880. Or 28,800, sorry, not 880. I mean, 880 would be nice too, but why don't it just rocket like it's supposed to? You know, it's the overnight session. It always moves way slower. It's nice though, because it gives you a little bit more time to like analyze stuff while you're waiting for this trade to do something here. We're making a lower high though, which isn't ideal. 3-minute chart here. You got out. Maybe tomorrow a bigger move above 28,789. All right, Sharpie, good night. Have a good one. Just go long force fed, yeah. Let's go through 30,000. That would be beautiful. Just starts rocketing. So we got 0 people in the vertical stream for some reason. Nobody's over there, but maybe everyone's funneling over here. We got 90 people at YouTube and 2 in X. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure if you guys are new to the channel, I appreciate a subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so you can get, you know, that notification when I go live anytime. And, you know, wouldn't mind it like also if you have the urge to click that button. Good night, Sharp. MNQ's RSI 60 still bullish-ish? Bullish-ish. So I guess the line in the sand here is going to be this 763 level. You know, if we end up getting bearish and get a candle closure below that, I'll probably just be looking to exit the trade. Hey Jay, what's up? You're in the vertical stream. Click the pinned comment there if you want to come on over to the big one. I knew you were going to ask that. That's why I said that. And I'm eating dumplings today. I know you want to see that. We got dumplings and some turkey. And Coke Zero. Enjoy your channel. Got to run for now. All right, Kelly. Thanks. Appreciate that. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, thanks, Jay. Yeah, we're at 1,100 and we were at 104. Did we get another one? Get anybody else? No, we're still at 1,104 subscribers. So thanks, guys. Appreciate the support. If you guys are looking to get a chance at a giveaway in the in the description of the video, there is a link to the Discord. If you pop into the Discord, you can sign a form in there to get an entry for next Sunday's giveaway. 25K Lucid Flex eval. No, we hit it on. Did we hit it? Yeah, we hit it on Sunday. Yes, we did. The global summary. Oh, we're starting to look bearish here again, guys. What's going on? Not very high volume so far, though. So I did add one contract there where we have two contracts now. Again, like I said, if we end up getting a candle closure below 61 here, 61.50, I'll probably be looking to just cut this trade. But so far, we haven't made a new high, but we've been kind of making higher lows on these last couple wicks down. So that's a good, so far it's a good sign. I mean, we still got lots of time on this candle, so. Yeah, Jay. My dad's doing good. He's been he doesn't usually come to the evening streams because it's pretty late. But yeah, he's been there pretty much every day on the New York sessions. Huh? Why'd that take away my stop limit? Okay, that's not going to work. I'm surprised that took that away. Not sure exactly why. Where are the bulls at? Come on, boys. Let's go. No, my dad does not. He worked for Canada Revenue Agency. He was a tax collector. So kind of in the financial world. In the finance. The government finance, I guess. Guess they right, yes, more often than not. Well, I don't really like being in drawdown here. Wish it would just pop up, but we still haven't really made any real reason to get out just yet. I see, bro. It's choppy right now. Yes, it is, sir. Yeah, was my dad here earlier for a few minutes? Maybe he did pop in for a minute today. Let's see, top fans. He might show up on there. Yeah, I don't think I've seen my dad today, but just saying, right? I see you more during Asia, sometimes London. Just wondering. Nice, yeah. This is a new candle. Oh, I don't like it. I'm gonna keep my finger on the exit button here, guys. It's kind of like I kind of want to add to this, but I'm not going to be responsible here. Yeah, we can. Yeah, he comes and hangs out. He doesn't say much. He usually says a few comments throughout the day, like, "Hey, I gave you a like," and he says hi to a couple people in the chat, but mostly just hangs out and watches the stream. Watches son being annoying on the stream. Well, not loving it, guys. Not loving it. 3.5 minutes here. By the time 3.5 minutes passes at this rate, it's going to come all the way down here and stop me out, which will be about an $80-ish loser. Hopefully it doesn't. Let's hope that this fair value gap holds. We'll get a pullback to the New York session tomorrow. Let's see. SSB 19. Taking liquidity, yeah. Let's hope it just needs to sweep down a little bit here, and then it's going to bounce up and take the highs here. Everybody, flick your screen, blow on it, say nice things to it. Let's see if we can't get it to go up. 1 minute left here on this candle. There looks like they're trying to close it below, but we keep getting a few buyers here and there trying to hold this 762 level. 48 seconds left on this candle. I'll turn my phone upside down and maybe gravity will help. There you go. Thanks, bro. I'm in British Columbia, Canada. So I'm about 1 hour outside of Vancouver, British Columbia. As luck. How about you? Where are you from? 30 seconds left on this candle. Like I said, if we end up getting a closure below this, I'll probably just cut this guy. I'm basically back to break even on this account now. See if we can't hold this, or it'd be really nice if we could just bounce this and turn it green. Oh, Fort McMurray, Alberta, nice. So you're not the only person here from Alberta. Shoot, somebody else is force fed? No, not force fed. Who else did they say was? I'm drawing a blank right now. Oh, Fiddle's from Alberta. Yeah, took me a minute there. Topo Fiddle. I don't know if I'm saying the first name right, but how long you been trading for, Has Luck? I like your name. Hopefully you brought some luck to me. I trade every Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday evenings, I trade the Asia sessions. You're about 5 months? Sweet. Yeah, I'm a little over a year. So it's an old Xbox random? No idea? Okay. Interesting. What's your favorite Xbox game? Are you like a sports guy, or like Gears of War, maybe, or? Hey, Manitoba, that's where I was born. Scale trading. I was born in Winterpeg. My mom and dad lived in Brandon. Modern Warfare 2, the real one, nice. I used to play Modern Warfare 2 on PC. That was a good one. Gears of War, what a game! Had forgotten about it. Yeah, Antonio, I love Gears of War. It's an awesome game. It's a fun one. And back into this fair value gap. Where did the bulls go, guys? Not good, not good. Oh, you like Fable also? Nice, yeah. I don't think I ever really played Fable. Oh, guys, I'm kind of leaning towards cutting this guy, but I don't think I should cut it just yet. Like I said, if we get a closure below 61, I will definitely be cutting this guy, but I don't like being in this drawdown here. Modern Warfare 4 felt like a movie, right? Jonathan Stong's YOLO longs. Woo! Let's do it. YOLO in with 2 micros. You know how we do. Base hits here. There we go. Come on, let's keep going now, boys. Let's go. There we go. Come on. Okay, since we did have some drawdown in this one, let's see if we can get a couple more points up here. I'm just going to go break even right away here. Well, slightly positive, slight profit. Let's see if we can start pushing a green candle here on this next one too. Come on, boys. Let's go. So I did take another, enter on my other Lucid funded accounts there in that fair value gap. So I just closed 2 of my 4 contracts there. This one's going up nicely. So there we go. Okay, I'm going to hit break even now on this trade since it was in close to drawdown. I might get stopped out right away here, but I'm okay with that because, you know, we did take some drawdown on this account. So it would be like $6 or something profit on this trade. More importantly, the funded account is in profit over there. So yeah, it's gonna stop me out here probably. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it doesn't. So that's the nice thing here about the command pad is one click of the button, it removes all your stop orders and it will take you to break even. So that's all I did is I just, you know, I put it's about $6 in profit in one click of the button there. And I'm copy trading 5 accounts here with this one. So come on, boys, let's go. Let's bounce this, baby. Let's go. Need the bulls to just put the pedal to the metal here. Gonna trail on this other account here. I'm up, you know, I closed $38 ish, 35, and now I brought my stop up a bit. This is my 2 funded accounts here. This one's going pretty nice here. I'm gonna actually take half off right there. So I took 1 contract off there, and then I'm gonna go break even here on the remaining contract. Just, you know, locking in some of that profits there. And I'm going to trail my other funded account up here to just below the 80s. So as you can see there, here's my entry in that fair value gap. Took 1 contract off at there. Now my stop is here at 78. So if we end up rejecting the highs and coming back down, it will take me out there. This one's now up $30 in this trade. So what I can do here is I'm gonna look at, I'm thinking about putting my stop here also. So let's copy this price, stop limit, paste just 1 contract, paste this guy. I should just be able to hit sell here. There we go. So we put the stop a little bit higher into profit there. Probably about $18 if we end up not taking value area high here. So I am going to get ready to move this up here. We'll copy this price. We'll put this, paste it in here. Oh, I need to go to stop limit, paste this guy in here. Just get ready to set my stop higher there. I'm going to take this other account, trail it up to 83 now, and I'm gonna move this stop up now. There we go. Okay, trailing this stop up a little bit more on the funded account. Let's copy this one here, stop limit, paste, and then sell. Let's move this stop up again here. Just slowly trailing it up here, just trying to make sure we lock in some of these profits. 790 now. Let's pick that. Stop limit. Paste 1 contract. Okay, move this funded account up to 790. We'll move this one up now. Next target will be 95. Copy price, stop limit, paste. Gonna go to 70.92. Okay, I'm out in the funded account there, guys. Okay, I'm out in all the accounts now. So let's just hit exit here, make sure everything is done. All right, so let's go. And then I got to go to the dashboard here, just make sure that I got out of these accounts. Yeah, it looks like we're all out of all these accounts here. That was a good trade. 85 bucks in both of the funded accounts, and 111 in the take profit trader accounts, and top one future 89 bucks in the top one futures. Nice. Hey Jonathan, thank you, buddy. Appreciate the tip. Nice trade, guys. Why don't you click and pull the sell order up? Oh, because I'm copy trading multiple accounts, right? So if I just drag one up, it'll only move that one stop. So it's just the way that this copy trader works. You got to copy and paste into the command pad and then adjust the stop. Kyle, what did Kyle say? Did you see yesterday TPT will automatically? Yes, I saw that. That's a great thing, because before, if you left your trade open to the end, you'd lose your account. So that's a nice rule change by TPT. Yeah, definitely. It does, but I'm copy trading take profit trader and a top one futures funded account in this. So I got five accounts I'm trading right here. So yeah, because it's over 2 different prop firms, that's why I'm using the copy trader. Ranja boy, nice, 700 bucks. Yahoo! I don't care if it pumps anymore. I'm out, not giving it back. Good job, buddy. Good job. Nice trade. I guess obviously you were in a lot heavier size than I was, hey? I'm glad we caught that, guys. Glad we caught that. It was a banger. Thanks for the tip again there, hey, Jonathan. Appreciate that. You guys spoiling me. So hey, yeah, so like this is what we did, right? We waited for the flag to break out. We looked for a retest. We were finding support. So we were saying buyers were here, right? I did enter a little bit high, added one on a little bit of a pullback. It was still within the trade criteria. And once we started holding these levels, that was just a sign that we're probably going to go. Hopefully you guys took profits or at least trailed your stops like I was. Value area high is going to potentially be the support level, unless it just, you never know. This could just decide it's time to go down, right? Oh, I feel a little relieved now after getting that nice W. It's always good to get a win on the stream. I got in at 28,764, but I exited 770. As I wasn't sure on the trade, then it pumps on me. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know that happens, right? I mean, just is what it is, right? It's gonna happen sometimes. If you lose confidence, it's better to be out with some profit than to like, if it turns around, you're gonna be mad at yourself that you didn't take profits at that point, right? So it got dumped. Yeah. I mean, it might still go higher, right? Like they're just kind of retesting these highs, it looks like at the moment. So you know how they like to break out and retest. It's the same idea we had here. Now, whether or not it's going to keep going higher, I mean, I can't really tell you guys that. But like I said, there's no real reason for us to be bearish on this price action. We had our bull flag here, right? Bull flag, this part, and then this part. Once we broke out, retested, and then boom. And then that's where we take our profits. Base hits, right? So, and we did find some resistance right before 28,800. I mean, doesn't mean we're probably going to go take those orders out. I don't see why not, right? So let's zoom in here a bit on 28,800 and see how this ends up playing out. Stay in the trade. You're in the trade still, Economic Pulse. So that was a really good trade for me because what I made about $50 on what you guys saw across all 5 accounts, but I made 85 in my 2 funded accounts here, these Lucid funded flex. I just passed these guys 3 days ago or something. But yeah, so I made 85 in both of these guys. Same trade idea, just entered on the pullback into that fair value gap, right? So entered down here. I shouldn't have covered this one where I did, but you know, I just like to take profits, take a little bit of risk off. But I could have made, you know, because what did I close this one up 26 and this one was up 61. So I could have made, you know, 120 rather than 80. I play slow. You're still holding. Nice. Good job, buddy. I mean, this is a pretty strong breakout, right? So we're probably going to go, maybe, not guaranteed, right? Let's get some emojis on here. Where's the little hand finger thingy? Right here? Where's the upside down arrow? Or the magnet? Where's the magnet? We need a magnet. I always see people put the magnet up, but I don't know where it is. I want to put the magnet on the 800. We can put this one on here too. There we go. Let's go. Let's see. Is the 800's going to get taken here? Looks like it. What happened there? There we go. Put the Israeli flag. Well, where do I find the magnet anyways, guys? Emojis. I need the magnet. I passed it. Oh, right there. But this one's upside down. Or can I flip it? Oh. What is weak magnet, strong magnet? I don't know. Let's see, are they going to hold the value area high here? 28,785. Flat now, you're looking for a short, Randall Paul trader. Nice. Oh, you passed one? You passed an eval or what? Oh, you're saying I passed one of the magnets. You should probably have one of these too. Just because. Go up. All the magnet does is snap your drawings. Oh, okay, gotcha. Thanks, Randall. 20 MA has been providing support the last 90 minutes, hey? I got the 90 MA there. It's been kind of being support here also, right? There's so many emojis here. I mean, some of you guys might like this one, right? I mean, we might need some of this too, but if I just use the ones that I think are good, then they'll be in the recently used one. Okay, it's time for the original AI song, guys. Chamber Pot of Gold. Oh, that's a good one. Where is that? Did I pass it there? Is there not a search? Oh, that's not what I was looking for. What the heck? That looked like a Canadian flag to me. Oh yeah, what am I talking about? It should be upright. Upright red and whites. Is that it? Not really. You closed it? Nice. Go to the light bulb column and then 8 rows down. Light bulb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, but I want a magnet that's like pointing down. So it's like pulling the price up. Maybe they don't have it. Oh, there it is. What am I doing here? Rotate the emoji, can you? Oh, I think we played this one earlier, so let's go VWAP hold 1. Oh, you can spin it. How do you spin it? Boy Genius. Hey, what's up? How are you doing? $80 people still watching, guys. 78 in YouTube, 2 in X. We have 1 person in the vertical stream. YOLO longs. Yeah, Jonathan. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, 1,109 subscribers. Maybe there's one more subscriber out there. Let's get us to 1,110, please. Chopping around here, guys. I mean, no real reason to sell yet, but yeah, I don't think it can. Time frame. Oh, 5-minute time frame right now. We do have a 10-minute bearish fair value gap above 15-minute. Let's see, 30-minute here too. See, 800 is going to be a pretty hard level to get through, but if we do, that's going to be some strength. CEO Jesse NQ, what's up? What's TP? Oh, I'm not in a long. I've already got out of it. I took a long here on this bullish fair value gap here at 70 or 28,763. We had this bull flag or bull channel form in here. We broke out to the top side. I waited for the retest, got in long, and then kind of closed it up. I trailed it up and closed it somewhere up around the 90s. Closed it at 28,792. 792, so right up here. KP trade on the blue outline. On the blue KP. Directly from the image at the corner, there's one quarter circle image and the pointer turns into. Directly from the image at the corner. On the blue outline. Like somewhere over here? Object tree? Click on the image, place pointer on the blue line to the corner. Yeah? That just makes it bigger. Oh, gotcha. Okay, you flip it to the opposite side. Ah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. W's in the chats for KP trade. Thank you. So if I want to go like this and I want to put this is what I was trying to do. Oh, yes. Thank you. Because I wanted to put this up here near the 800s to see if we can't magnet the price up. Put the pointer next to the circle on the blue line. Out further? What do you mean? What do you mean, put it like here? Let's pull it up higher. Make the image larger. There we go, that'll work, right? Okay, Angia, thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you so much. Okay, yeah, no worries, Angia. Thank you, thank you. You have a great day. I guess you're gonna be busy, right? Not on the circle. Right next to it. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Thank you, thank you. You guys are so good. I'm like, what do you guys? Oh, I see this little swipey thing now. Woo. It's working now. Look at that, guys. Here comes the 800s. Yeah, I got it. Who says you can't teach an old dog new tricks, right? Come on, guys, let's go. Magnet that thing up to the 800s here. We got 210 contracts right there. Just go take them. There we go. Yes. Oh, dipped into it. Didn't take them though. Got about 30 or 40 off there. Come on, take it. 180 left. Dipped in there more. 180 still there though. 179. 177. Where are the buyers at? Let's go. Add more magnets? Yeah, I might need to, hey? That's got to be enough, right? Come on. Maybe it's an iceberg. I mean, if you guys are in a trade, take some profits off here, guys. Just, I usually try to front run these big orders because, I mean, they might take it. They might take it still, but sometimes they do this. They just bounce against it multiple times. This could be like sort of like what they'd call like an iceberg order. And, they only show 190, but they have like 1,000 orders that they're just hitting the sell button right as it's getting up to the 800s. Come on. I need to see this go. 192 contracts right there. You're out with 210. Nice job. Good trade. Good trade. Last 5-minute volume spike. Nice dip buy. Yeah. Look at those. Look at those candles here. They're going to take it. Come on. 193. we needed the new song, that's all. Maybe let's do this one here. Have you guys heard Shots on Goal yet? This is a funny one. Somebody made it for me in the Discord. Lamthau, hey, 74 watching, 52 likes. Come on, guys, you can make it more than 74 easily. Thank you for the support right there, especially after we got that banger win. And we're waiting for the orders at 800 to be taken here. 197 contracts. Are they not going to take the 800s? Like, come on, man. It's right there. Now they're pulling back. They might need to take a run at it here. Speaking of, it's time to play roulette. Yeah. So we got 1,589 contracts that have already been bought at this level. We got 196 just sitting there. But is this one of those times, like I've seen this happen lots of times in the past, where we've had a really thick order and they just can't take it, right? They just can't take it, and then they just end up rolling over. Oh. Five-minute, very low volume. Fun tonight. Maybe we need something a little more chill. That's a little too high energy. Hey, guys. Let's calm it down here, and then it'll take it. Oh, we got some orders showing up below here on 92. 792. Look up and see the 900 level. Is there more up there at 900? $850, 90 at 850. Wow, 308 at 900, but they're algorithm orders, but there's 308 there. You can see that there's like white dots or white lines in there. So those are probably mostly controlled by algorithms. We got yesterday's 15-minute fair value gap right above. So, okay. That is the pain point, right? Yeah, it is the pain point. 92 here, getting a pull back to 92. 93 contracts right there. They bounced off of it a little bit so far. They took them. Okay. 92. So that was somebody's stop, I guess. Or like a short position, I guess. No, because they sold it. This is a red ball, so it's a sell. Maybe it's going to go now, guys. They just had to tap into these 92s. Yeah, I know. Obviously, there's a, but it's like when it shows up as a red ball, that just means that somebody like hit the market sell button, right? So yeah, a buyer was there, so somebody bought it, but yeah, somebody hit market sell to like take those orders. That's why the red ball shows up. Longs stop loss move to secure profits. Yeah, probably. Yeah. That's true. Limit order limits sitting there. Here we go. Come on, 800. Only 174 there now. 179, 184 there now. Just can't get through that level yet though, eh? It's probably going down now. Yeah, it could. I've seen this before where we've had a large stack of orders and it just keeps like doing this, like can't get through there. It's almost like, you know, like an iceberg order where, like I said, they'll place some orders, but they have like hundreds of orders. Here we go. They're taking them. There, it's gone. Boom, look at that. And another buy order, still ripping here. Let's move these magnets up, guys. It's going to bring it all the way up here. Look at this thing going, guys. Woo! Holy smokes. Yeah, baby. Look at that, hey? Holy crap. And we're still going up. What happened? We had to have some news. There's got to be some news here. Stay a little bit and head out now. Okay, Anja. Have a good one. That was pretty euphoric, eh? That was a euphoric move right there. No news. Q and spies. If you wanted a short opportunity, I would look for it here. Not financial advice. I don't know. That was a pretty strong rip there. I'd be a little concerned about shorting that. I don't know. It could be, but kind of a gamble. What? We have expiries today. Okay. Two minutes left on this candle here. All the way to 820, hey? You think they're done? You think they're done, guys? Short squeeze the short shirts. Supply could be coming in. "48 seconds here on this candle. Big boys are active. What time is it? It's just like 11:30, like the half-hour candle, hey guys? Savage. Yeah, I mean, if you sold anything 25 to 29 area, you could be in some nice profit right now. That's for sure. Hey, guys. Is it gonna kill? What's it gonna do here, guys? We going up or down? Or is it just gonna chop here for a while now? 50% of the daily wick now? Man, they sure built up a lot of strength on that push, though, eh? That was a Randy B boner candle if I ever saw one. Uh, 10:37 here, guys. Probably gonna end the stream here pretty soon. But yeah, it was a fun stream. I'm glad we caught that nice trade there, that nice long. I mean, I guess I could have held on to that, waited for this explosion. But you know, I'm happy with my trade. Trailed it up pretty aggressively there, locked it in. Looks like this push might be over. Let's take off some of these magnets. Hey, Angia, you're welcome. Thank you. They're going to head it back down to 800, I guess, eh? All expirations 29,000. Let's stick around for another few minutes here. Let's see. I'm just curious to see what happens here with these candles. That was quite the heavy pump there, hey guys? High volume pump. Market breathing. 28,710 to 29,000 band represents a primary mechanical stress zone where dealer hedging flows become material. Oh, that sounds pretty intense. Right up there, buddy. Joy of travel. Yes, I love traveling too. stacking up the base hits. This info that people do see, right? I'm not sure. Yeah, that's a pretty detailed comment there. KP trade is feeling heavy. Yeah, I mean, that is a pretty strong wick to the top side, that's for sure. Looks like they're stacking orders below it here at around 800 level. Music's so dumb. Sorry, bud. I'll switch it up. It's not for everybody. Manipulation move, making a higher high from New York to take out. AI slop, yeah. I like that. It is a good one. You should get a server tag made for the Discord. Like instead of just the link, like get an actual tag. Yeah, I thought I saw something about that once. Hey, 1,113 subscribers now. Thanks everybody. Who else? Whoever showed up and subscribed. I am Canadian, eh? How could you tell, eh, buddy? I live in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Near Vancouver, anyways. I'm about like 1 hour outside of Vancouver. Hey, thanks for subscribing there, Joy. Cold brew, eh? There is no spoon. Yeah, it's super expensive here. Ugh, so annoying. My Canadian vibe. Well, we're getting bullish a bit here again, guys. Market is crazy. The daily push is incredible. Almost 5,000 point push today. Is that just today? Are you talking about how much it like went up, then down, now it's going back up kind of idea? Got orders at 815 above. Oh, the strange brew? Yeah, somebody told me about that not long ago. It's pretty funny, eh? Yeah, Strange Brews are hilarious. 828 is a blind spot. What does a blind spot mean? I'm always down to learn. Blind spot is a zone that people don't get to see. That is the long wick. Okay, gotcha. Cool. Well, guys, 8:40 or 10:47 for me, which is like 1:47, almost 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I got to be up for market open 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Should probably wrap it up here. Hey, thanks for the new subscribers here. We got 1,115. Finally taking that level. If you guys are new, check the description there. There should be a link to the Discord. If you go into the Discord, I have a giveaway planned for this Sunday. I have 4 Lucid Flex evals I'm giving away, one every Sunday for the next 4 Sundays, as sort of like a celebration of crossing the 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, so pop into the Discord there, and then once you're in the Discord, head on down to the giveaway entry, and there should be a link to a form there. Just fill out the form. You'll be entered in for the next 4 giveaways, 4 Sunday giveaways. And then so there's only a couple rules. One is you got to be on the stream live when we give it away to win it. Number 2 is you have to be in a country that's allowed to trade Lucid accounts. Number 3 is that you can only win 1 per week. So if you win it the first Sunday, you can't win it the next Sunday. You got to wait to the following. It's only 1 entry, and yeah, so you get a chance to win at least 4 giveaways over the 4 days, 4 Sundays in a row there. So hey, Topo Fiddle there joined recently. $26% gain on 5 weeks. Yeah, I was looking at the weekly range for a while there, and like, look at that, guys. It's been like roughly 1,000 points every week we've been going up. I think these ones were like 800 or 900 or something, but what is this one now? We're not even at the end of the week and we're up 1,200 points already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks here now. 6 weeks, almost 6,000 points up, guys. What's up, Foo? Hey, Foo, how you doing? 340% gain in 6 years, eh? Wow, yeah, I mean, I haven't looked at the yearly. I guess we can't really look at it on here because this won't show it, but the power of the flag breakout, hey guys. Okay, sweet guys. Yeah, let's wrap it up here. I gotta take Frank, my Great Pyrenees, out for a walk before bed. Let's do our little shout out like we usually do every day. So thank you everybody for tuning in. Angia, Randy Trades, Yo Jim Blab, Wayne, Lone Wolf, Jonathan Stonks. Thank you for the super chats, Jonathan. Cop Maps, Zakaya, Sharpie, Topo Fiddle, Kyle, Paul on Paul YouTube, Oleg, Force Fed, The Global Summary, Puente Express, Chris, CEO Jesse, Lilish Borker, Rangap Boy, Tony L, The Fud Farm, Randall Paul Trader, Drew's 69 Malibu, Keith Smith, Nightshade, Natesh Devkota. Sorry, bro. I Play Slow, Cryptic Crow, Economic Pulse, SSB19, AG Trader number 500, Has Luck, Tim Core, Joy of Travel, Boy Genius, Sid, MC Thomas TV, KP Trades, Just Ain't Right. I'm Fanta B. I'm Fantab. All right, that's nice. I like it. Antoine, Keith Matthews, Heavy D, Mugiwara PvP, Scaled Trading, Adam, Kelly B, Jonathan Gooden, Skeletor, Skull Crunch, and Mick Riker. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for all the support. We did hit 1,115 subscribers today. So that's pretty awesome. Cleared 116, cleared that level, and we got 40 likes on the stream. Or let me refresh that. It might be a little bit higher than that. 61 likes on the stream. Thank you so much, everybody. Appreciate you guys so much. Yeah, so make sure you take a second, join the Discord, fill out the little giveaway entry form there, and come hang out on Sunday evening for we'll start the stream at around 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, and yeah, we'll be giving the Lucid 25 Flex eval away. So be there or be square. Trading G just logged into the Discord. Hey, what's up, ready? See you, No Life. Sorry if I missed you. I just read off the top fans there, just whoever chatted mostly in the chat. But hopefully, if I did miss your name, sorry about that. I'd love to say goodbye to you guys. But I used to scroll back through the chat and it would take me like 10, 15 minutes to get through everybody. So I just decided to start going with the top 50 chats. So whoever chats the most, the top 50 there. So thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Hopefully you guys are green and caught that trade. It was a killer one. Yeah. Love y'all. See you tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go long right now. 5 mins. It looks like he wants to go up, doesn't it? Looks like he wants to break out here. But thanks, guys. We'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out. Love you guys. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Thank you. Oop. See you guys. Peace out.